Hi, I'm Anastasia Emmons, a clinically trained and practicing hypnotherapist, and I've worked with hundreds of clients who are seeking more than just surface-level solutions to stress and anxiety. This guided self-hypnosis session is designed to be your personal reset button, and in just 12 minutes, we'll explore a powerful technique to quiet your mind, release tension, and reconnect with your inner calm. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by work pressures, struggling with persistent anxiety, or simply need a moment of deep relaxation, this session is your pathway to emotional calm and inner peace. Take a deep breath. Your journey to transformation begins now. Before we begin, find a position where your body feels completely supported. This might be sitting in a comfortable chair, lying on a soft surface, or wherever you feel most at ease. And now take a moment to make any final adjustments so that your body feels completely comfortable and relaxed. Take a deep, comfortable breath in, and as you exhale, allow your eyes to remain softly focused on a point in front of you. With each breath, you might notice how natural it feels to let your attention drift inward. And as I count down from 10 to 1, you can allow your eyes to close whenever it feels right for you. Let's begin. 10. Becoming aware of any sounds around you. Letting them fade into the background. 9. Feeling the weight of your body supported completely. 8. Each breath bringing you deeper into comfort. 7. Noticing how your muscles can relax even more. 6. Letting go of any tension in your shoulders. 5. Halfway to complete relaxation, feeling peaceful. 4. Every muscle becoming soft and calm. 3. Drifting deeper into relaxation. 2. Almost completely relaxed. 1. Fully peaceful and serene. And now imagine yourself at the top of a beautiful staircase. There are 10 safe and easy steps. See them now. Each step represents a deeper level of relaxation. The staircase is solid and secure beneath your feet. Smooth, polished wood, a gentle handrail beside you. With each step down, you'll feel twice as relaxed, twice as calm. And so let's begin. Feel yourself taking your first step. 10. The sounds around you becoming distant. 9. Feeling the cool, smooth handrail. 8. Muscles releasing any remaining tension. 7. Breathing becoming slower, deeper. 6. Entering a place of complete peace. 5. Halfway to total relaxation. 4. Calm washing over you like a gentle wave. 3. Almost to your sanctuary of peace. 2. Deeply relaxed. 1. Completely serene. In this relaxed state, your mind is open to learning, to experiencing the natural power of self-hypnosis. Notice how your thoughts can become like clouds in the sky, drifting by without needing your attention. This is the beginning of self-hypnosis. And as you rest here, I'll share 3 simple tools you can use anytime. First, the relaxation anchor. When you touch your thumbs and first finger together, you can recall this peaceful feeling. Let this simple touch become a gateway to instant calm. Second, the peaceful place, creating a mental sanctuary where you can return anytime, a personal retreat of complete safety and tranquility. Third, the release breath, a simple way to let go of tension, a powerful technique to center yourself in any moment. These tools are now part of your inner resources, available whenever you choose to use them. Each time you practice, they become stronger and more effective. In a moment, I'll count you from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll feel more alert and refreshed. 1. Becoming aware of your body. 2. Energy returning to your muscles. 3. Feeling refreshed and clear. 4. Opening your eyes when you are ready. 5. Fully alert and carrying this peace with you. Take a moment to stretch gently. Notice how relaxed you feel. You've just learned the basics of self-hypnosis, and with practice, these tools will become more powerful each time you use them. I look forward to working with you next time.